10 Ford F-150 Leveling Kit 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. 2004 to 2026 F-150 3-inch Front Leveling Kit. Ready to give your 2004 to 2026 F-150 and compatible expeditions/Lincoln Mark LTs that commanding presence it deserves? Our 3-inch front leveling kit is engineered to perfection. It masterfully eliminates the factory rake, giving your truck an aggressive, level stance and the essential clearance for larger, more capable tires you've been eyeing. Crafted from robust 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, precision CNC machined and anodized for superior durability and corrosion resistance, this isn't just a lift, it's an upgrade built to last, with pre-installed grade 12.9 bolts. Best of all, installation is refreshingly simple. With everything you need and no cutting or modifying factory parts, you can achieve this commanding new look in roughly 2 hours. Transform your ride effortlessly. Number 9. F-150 2.5-inch Front Leveling Lift Kit. Ready to give your F-150 that aggressive, level stance it deserves? Our 2.5-inch front leveling lift kit delivers a true 2.5-inch front lift, perfectly eliminating factory rake for an impressive, balanced look. Unlike lesser alternatives, our MotoFab lifts are precision CNC machined from robust billet aluminum, then powder-coated black to seamlessly match your truck's factory suspension components. The best part? Installation is remarkably simple, taking only 1.5 to 2 hours without the complicated strut or coil disassembly other kits demand. Proudly made in the USA and backed by a lifetime warranty, you're investing in unparalleled quality and peace of mind. Compatible with all F-150 2004 to 2025 2WD and 4WD models, upgrading your ride has never been easier or more reliable. Number 8. 2004 to 2020 F-153 Halves Leveling Lift Kit. Ready to give your F-150 the commanding presence it deserves? Our 3 of 2 leveling lift kit is precisely engineered for your 2004 to 2020 F-150 2WD/4WD, providing a noticeable 3-inch front and 2-inch rear lift. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about achieving that aggressive stance, improving ground clearance, and making room for larger tires. You'll appreciate the robust quality, forged from aerospace-grade 6061 T6 aluminum, CNC machined for perfect fitment, and anodized for exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. Even the grade 12.9 bolts are pre-installed. The best part? Installation is a breeze. Designed for a simple bolt-on process, you can transform your truck in under 2 hours without cutting or modifying any factory parts. Elevate your F-150 effortlessly. Number 7. 2004 to 2020 F-153 Halves Lift Leveling Kit. Ready to redefine your 2004 to 2020 F-150 stance and capability? Our 3 halves lift leveling kit is engineered for both 2WD and 4WD models, transforming your truck with unparalleled precision. Crafted from forged aircraft billet aluminum, T6 treated and black anodized, this kit features 10.9 grade bolts, ensuring extreme durability and corrosion resistance that lasts. Our exclusive, patented aluminum blocks are significantly lighter yet more robust than traditional steel, designed to optimize driveline geometry. Enjoy enhanced tire clearance and superior ground balance, allowing for smoother off-road control and better impact absorption. Achieve that aggressive, commanding look you desire without wheel rub, elevating your F-150's performance and presence with confidence. Number 6. F-150 Expedition 2.5-inch Front Leveling Kit. Ready to give your F-150 or Expedition that commanding, level stance it deserves? Our 2.5-inch front leveling kit is meticulously engineered to transform your truck's presence and capability. Crafted from robust forged aircraft-grade aluminum and secured with high-strength grade 10.9 hardware, these spacers are built to last, boasting superior corrosion resistance with their sleek black anodized finish. Experience enhanced tire clearance for bigger rubber and improved ground balance, ensuring smoother off-road control with better absorption of rugged impacts. You'll maintain an aggressive look without any wheel rub. Designed for a wide range of F-150s, 2004 to 2026, Expeditions, 2003 to 2018, and Lincoln Mark LT, excluding 2021 plus CCD models, this kit provides a significant upgrade. Elevate your truck's performance and aesthetics with confidence. Number 5. Ford F-150 2-inch leveling kit. Ready to give your Ford F-150 the commanding presence it deserves? Our 2-inch leveling kit is specifically engineered for 2004 to 2024 F-150s, along with 2003 to 2018 Expeditions and 2005 to 2008 Lincoln Mark LTs. You'll love how easily it installs. In just 1 to 2 hours with no special tools, instantly raising your truck's front by 2 inches, and alignment is always recommended. Crafted from heavy-duty 6061 T6 aircraft-grade aluminum and fortified with 12.9 grade studs, this precision-machined kit is built for extreme durability and corrosion resistance. Experience enhanced ground clearance, letting you confidently conquer on- and off-road obstacles. Plus, you can finally fit those larger custom rims and tires you've been eyeing, giving your truck that undeniably cool, perfected look. Elevate your ride. Number 4. Ford F-150 2.25-inch leveling kit. Ready to transform your F-150's stance. Our 2.25-inch front leveling kit is expertly designed to eliminate that factory rake, giving your 2015 to 2017 F-152 WD/4WD a commanding, level look. But it's not just about aesthetics. This kit empowers you to confidently fit up to a massive 35-inch tire, truly upgrading your truck's presence and capability. Crafted from premium CNC machined billet aluminum, this isn't just a lift, it's a precision enhancement. Our unique offset design is engineered specifically for your F-150, ensuring a perfect fit and preserving your factory ride quality. Experience the perfect blend of rugged style and reliable performance. Elevate your F-150 today. Number 3. Ford F-150 2-inch front leveling lift kit. Ready to transform your Ford F-150's stance and capability? Our Nylite 2-inch front leveling lift kit is precisely what you need. Engineered from premium 6061 aluminum alloy, this kit delivers exceptional durability and lighter weight, all finished in a sleek, anodized black for superior corrosion resistance and a lasting look. Installation is a breeze, often completed in just 1 to 2 hours with absolutely no cutting or drilling required, preserving your vehicle's integrity. Perfect for 2004 to 2023 F-150 models, 2WD/4WD, Ford Expeditions, and Lincoln Mark LT. This kit not only eliminates nosedive, but also allows for larger tires. Experience a perfectly leveled, more aggressive aesthetic and enhanced stability for any adventure. Elevate your ride with confidence. Number 2. F-150 2-inch front leveling lift kit. Eliminate your F-150's factory nose-down look with our 2-inch front leveling lift kit. This solution delivers a true 2-inch lift, instantly achieving that perfect, aggressive stance. What sets this kit apart is the meticulous craftsmanship. MotoFab lifts are CNC machined from robust billet aluminum and powder-coated black, ensuring seamless integration with your factory suspension for durability and a sleek OEM look. Forget complicated installations. This kit typically takes just 1.5 to 2 hours and uniquely does not require strut/coil disassembly, saving significant time and effort. Proudly made in the USA with American materials, it's compatible with 2004 to 2025 F-152 WD and 4WD models. It's the smart, hassle-free upgrade your truck deserves. Number 1. 2.5-inch front leveling kit for Ford F-150. Tired of your Ford F-150's factory rake? Our 2.5-inch front leveling kit is precision engineered to transform your truck, delivering that perfectly level, commanding stance you crave. Beyond aesthetics, it provides essential front clearance, allowing you to confidently fit aggressive 35-inch tires. This instantly enhances your off-road capability and ground clearance, achieving the ultimate custom look. Crafted from premium, CNC machined aircraft-grade material with robust 12.9 grade studs, our kit ensures lasting durability for any challenge without compromising your factory ride. Installation is a breeze, taking just 1 to 2 hours with no cutting, drilling, or strut disassembly required. Get the perfect fit for your 2004 to 2025 F-150 and drive with confidence, backed by our 12-month warranty. So, that sums up my 10 Ford F-150 leveling kit. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,